Good afternoon, good day, everyone. I hope you and your family are having a wonderful Labor Day. But while you are having fun, I wish that you all take the right protocols to protect yourself and your loved ones, especially during these challenging times of COVID 19. And I want to speak with you today about love, what I call love insurance. I started to discuss this with you last week because I do believe it's very, very important that we all protect ourselves and our loved ones. My name is Paul Edwards, and I am a registered representative with New York Life. I specialize in working with business owners and individuals to do two things. One, to plan effectively and prepare, save for retirement so that when that time comes, you can retire comfortably. And I also help individuals and business owners to protect their families, their business, all their loved ones with life insurance and with long-term care. Last week, I started to speak on life insurance, and I outlined that there are primarily three types of life insurance. One is whole life, the other one is term, and the other one is universal life. And all three have different types included under them. But today I'm going to speak briefly on whole life, what it is, and the benefits of whole life. All of us, you can see my slide here, we all have dreams and responsibilities, and the whole life insurance can help you with both. And therefore, it is very important that we recognize that we have dreams and we have responsibilities. A whole life policy, it's a selfish act with a few safeguards built in it. Buying life insurance is about making sure the people who depend on you will be cared for, even if you are not around. Again, let me say this. Every one of us who is listening to me today should have life insurance. It is something that you must have, but we all hope we never need until later on in life. It's no secret. We all are going to die sometimes. We don't want to die now, but we're all going to pass out of this world sometimes. So life insurance, and today we are speaking specifically about whole life, is a policy that protects you for your entire life. And it makes sure that whether you are here or not, you fulfill your responsibilities and your dreams can be achieved. So relax. At New York Life, we have got you covered. Some of the benefits of a whole life policy is it gives you guaranteed protection. Again, you're protected for your entire life. It acts as an income replacement. As I said last week, I say no. There's no amount of money that can really replace the loss of a loved one. But many of us, whether you're a male or a female, you are the breadwinner of your family. And God forbid you pass, not only is your presence missing, but your income stops. And if your income was to stop, it can bring undue hardship upon your wife or your husband, upon your kids, upon those who you left behind. And because you love them, you don't want that to happen. So a life insurance, and in this case, a whole life, give you income replacement. The master, I'm a believer, and the master teaches that a wise man, a wise woman makes preparation for his children, children, children. That's 3 generations off. You must prepare and protect those you love. It gives you tax-free benefits. It gives you protection from creditors in some states. And it gives you gives you also benefits while you are alive. Again, lifetime coverage is guaranteed. The cash value built up in a whole life policy can be taken out as tax-free loans and withdrawals. Your monthly, quarterly, or annually contributions are guaranteed to remain level, won't increase. You have guaranteed cash value growth in the policy. That's why a whole life policy is treated as an asset. When you go for a loan or doing certain business transaction, they ask you, do you have any whole life policy? Because the cash value is treated as an asset. You have potential for growth with dividends. Dividends are not guaranteed, but New York Life has been paying dividends for over 150 years. And the dividends also cause the cash value in the policy to grow. And you have the option to add additional riders. And there are various riders that you can add to a policy. So what a whole life policy does, it gives you and I peace of mind. It gives our family peace of mind because we must, well, I call it love insurance because we must protect those who we love. So what we need to do is to choose a policy that meets your need and budget, not my need, your need. In our whole life policy series, we have 3 types. We have a whole life, a custom whole life, and a value whole life. A whole life policy, as we said, it gives you guaranteed lifetime coverage. It builds guaranteed cash value growth. A custom whole life is a little different. It does all of that. But with a custom whole life, you choose the period you want to pay for. For example, you might say with a custom whole life, I only want to pay for this policy for 7 years. And then they calculate it, you pay for it for 7 years, then you have a completely paid up policy. And you have value whole life where you get more protection for your dollars. This way, it's a little bit, your monthly contributions are a little lower, but the cash value growth is not as robust as you would see in a custom or a whole life policy. But what we do is try to meet the needs of all our clients. Remember, it is not my need. It is what is your need. So what you need to do today is to take up your phone and call me. My name is Paul Edwards. Doesn't matter what state you are in. You can reach me at 321-557-1155. Now, if you are in my community here in Florida, we can meet face to face. If you are out of state, or even in Florida where I live, we can have a virtual meeting. You have Google, you have Zoom, you have many things we can use to meet virtually. So the important thing is to determine what is your specific need, not my need. And I am certain that at New York Life, we can find the right policy to meet your need and your budget. we can find the right policy to ensure that your family is protected. We want to make sure that you can sleep peacefully. We want to make sure that your business is protected. We want to make sure that you are protected. And we want to make sure that all you love is protected. New York Life, we are a strong company. This year we are celebrating our 175th anniversary. We are built to last. We have the highest rating currently awarded to life insurance company. We are America's largest mutual life insurer, and we are in the Fortune 100 company in the United States. What does it mean to be a mutual company? It simply means we are not traded on the stock market. So all our policy owners are basically our shareholders. So we only do what is in the best interest of our policyholders. And when we pay dividends, that's why it goes to all our policyholders. We are here to stay and we are here to protect you. What makes our company unique? The individuals like myself. We do what is right. I only do what is in your best interest. And I do believe it is in our best interest to protect our families. So you can reach me 321 557 1155. Looking forward to hearing from you today.